Welcome back to Truck U. We've got the lift on the truck. The tires and wheels are down the road getting mounted and balanced. They'll be back here shortly, and we'll get them on, and we can really see what it's going to look like. But now we want to take a couple of minutes and kind of concentrate on the inside. Maybe protect that and make the drive a little bit more comfortable.
Yeah, for sure. You know, and there's some creature comforts that people can't live without. For me, it is my morning coffee, and that's where the cup coffee comes into play. So this drops in right to where your cup holder is, and it's got all the different sizes to fit all different size vehicles, but it's got the cutout to handle the big old jug of coffee, whether it's 14, 20, or 24 ounces. This is going to hold it.
Now, here's something I'm really digging, and it's the first time we've seen them here, and these are the sill protectors, right? And it's made of the same material that they make their bumper topper out of. So this, real simple. Boom, peel the tape, it sticks on. So not only will it protect that, like if your vehicle is new and you just stick it on there, but if you've got some scratches and you're looking for some resale value, you can just hide them with that, too.
Yeah, you're judgy about that. When you open a door, you look at somebody's sill, you get a little upset.
I will judge on a few things, and that is one of them.
Well, WeatherTech gives you a judgment-free zone on the inside of your vehicle. And it all started for them with their floor liners and their floor mats. This is the HP floor liner. It's kind of like their latest generation. They've been out for a little while, but this is kind of one that's going to give you the most coverage. And the way they're done on the back side, you can see you got all these different textures to make sure that when you put it down, it stays in place. So if you have a spill, you have dirt and debris, it's going to be protected not only the front, the back, the sides. You simply take it out, rinse it out, put it back in place, and the floor of your vehicle is protected.
Well, let's get these installed. And the best part about it is this is my kind of install.
Right?
Yeah, dig it. The first thing we did back here in the back was lay in the impact liner, and we did that right over the existing truck bed liner. And some people might ask, well, why would you do that? Well, the existing liner is great for some scratches and things like that, but if you think about it, it's not really going to protect much in the way of heavy things landing in there and creating dents. So if you look at the bottom of this impact liner, they've got these raised impact rings, right? And there's got to be thousands of these things. They cover the whole mat, and that builds a little gap there.
Yeah, it's like little air cushions, so to speak. You know what I mean? Little springs to kind of support stuff. Now, sitting on top of that, we've got the WeatherTech Pro. And this is one of the newest products that everybody's been asking about from WeatherTech. So basically what you're purchasing are these four corners right here. And now what you can do is you can customize it pretty much any way you want. So you can actually get the wood from WeatherTech, or you can get it locally. And what it is set up for 1x6s or 1x4s. You can see there's a spot for that, depending on how high you want the walls to be. But it's customized to contain your cargo in a designated area. So you've got water jugs or fuel jugs or groceries or whatever it is, it'll stay here. It won't be whipping around the back of the bed of your truck.
Yeah.
Now, the bottom of these pads here, they've got a rubberized coating, and when you put it on top of the rubberized floor mat, I mean, this is not going anywhere.
No, it's
and
not.
The heavier it is, the stronger that bond is.
And that thing is rock solid, too, man. That's not going anywhere, like you said.